Hello, friends. Welcome to Rising Voice English. Today, we will practice English for everyday life. You will learn how to greet people, ask questions, and talk about your day. Repeat after me. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Anna. Hi, Anna. I am Tom. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Tom. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, thanks. Practice introducing yourself. Hello, my name is... Your name. Excuse me, where is the restroom? It's over there, next to the counter. Thank you. You're welcome. Repeat these questions. Where is the bus station? What time is it? How much is this? Good morning. What do you do every morning? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. That's nice. I drink coffee every morning. Vocabulary practice. Wake up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Drink coffee. Repeat after me. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books. And you? I like walking and listening to music. Good job. Practice. I like learning English. How much is this apple? It is $2. I want 3 apples, please. Sure, that is $6. Hello, what would you like to eat? I would like a sandwich and a juice, please. Anything else? No, thank you. Okay, enjoy your meal. It's a sunny day, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's warm and nice. Do you like sunny weather? Yes, I do. I like sunny weather very much. Who is in your family? I have a mother, a father, and 1 brother. That's nice. Do you have any sisters? No, I don't. Well done, friends. You learned greetings, routines, hobbies, shopping, food, and family words today. Remember, practice every day. Speak out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Thank you for watching Rising Voice English. See you in the next video. Keep speaking English.